Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know the video is over. Well, you don't know the video is over, but the video is over. It kind of ended abruptly only because I messed up and I thought I filmed the end of that makeup video that you just saw, but I didn't. Or I think I did and it got deleted somewhere along the ways. I'm not really sure what happened. I just know that this video is from Labor Day Monday, so it's been a while since, and I've kind of been annoyed. Like, I didn't want to put it up and I didn't want to edit it because there's no final face. But I do have pictures and I'm gonna put them somewhere here or there. I'm not really sure how this works yet with the editing thing, but it'll be there. I don't even have any videos from that day that are decent enough for me to post because they're just wild. Like, I was just wild on Labor Day Monday, so But I do have pictures, that's all I have, and it's on my Instagram too. I'm gonna list everything in the bottom bar, description below, all the products that I used, and I'm just all the way done with myself. I should just delete my channel. I should just delete my channel. Like, I can't believe I did it, and it was such a good tutorial. I was even proud of myself because it was kind of like my first time filming a cut crease. Like, I do them all the time, but I don't ever film it because, you know, when you know how to do something good and you just know how to do it, it's hard for me to film things like that because I'm so in the routine of just doing things really quickly and doing it my way, which really isn't the proper way. So this time I took the time to film this video and do it the proper way, and then I lost the ending. Listen, in life we all make mistakes, excuse my French, but shit happens, and that's just it. You just have to roll with the punches and figure it out. This is plan B, and I'm figuring it out. I've figured it out. This is it. So again, thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial, but I'll be doing a lot more now that it's like gonna be cooler months in winter time. I kind of slacked in the summertime because it was really hot, and when it's really hot I sweat, so the makeup doesn't look as good as it would when it's in a cooler month, for me at least. So I'll be doing more. I'm actually going on vacation this weekend, so you're gonna get a vacation vlog too. I know, I don't know if you guys like them or not, but hey, they're here and they're here to stay, and I'm doing them and you're gonna watch them. So again, thanks so much for watching, and sorry, love you, bye.